Hey guys, after a busy festive period, my body has been craving some really nutrient-dense smoothies. So I have got the perfect healthy smoothie for you guys today. So it's just a mixture of lots of rich green vegetables, including our greens powder. So in this recipe, we're going to be using about 1 teaspoon of the maca powder, which is going to help boost energy. We are going to use 1 full scoop of the Happy Way greens powder. We're going to use about 1 cup or 1 handful of chopped up kale. So kale is really good at promoting a healthy liver, which is what some of us need after a busy festive season. I've got 1 kiwi fruit, which I'll take the skin off and I'll pop into my blender. That's rich in antioxidants. And then I've got about ½ a cup of frozen coconut. I've got about 1 cup of ice, and I'm going to use 1 cup of coconut water. You can also just use filtered water in this one. So all we need to do to make this recipe is add all these ingredients into our blender, blend it until it's nice and smooth, and enjoy.